In this video, you will learn how to voice lead inversions of the 5/7 chord. Each note of the 5/7 chord may be in the bass. The chord has one root position and 3 inversions. The inversions are identified by number intervals above the bass. The complete numbers are almost never used. Instead, use these abbreviated symbols. Would this series of numbers help you remember the inversions? 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Resolutions. The regular resolutions of the 5/7 chord and all its inversions are to a 1 chord or to a 1/6 chord. 1. Both chords are complete. 2. The leading tone resolves up to the tonic. 3. The 7th resolves down to the 3rd of the 1 chord. 4. The root of the 5/7 chord ties over to the 5th of the 1 chord, a common tone. 5. The 5th of the 5/7 chord steps down. The 5/2 chord resolves only to a 1/6 chord. The others resolve to the 1 chord. Preparations. The 5/7 chord may be approached by any chord. There is only one general rule: prepare the 7th. The prepared 7th is approached by a tie, repeat, or step. Another way to look at this is do not skip into the 7th. Step up to the 7th, step down to the 7th, or the note is tied or repeated. In minor keys, you may have problems approaching the leading tone. The leading tone is easy to find because it has the accidental. The leading tone must be preceded by the 1st, 2nd, 5th, or 7th of the scale. Why? Because the 3rd to the 7th of the scale is a diminished 4th or an augmented 5th, or the 4th to the 7th of the scale is a tritone, and the 6th to the 7th of the scale is an augmented 2nd or diminished 7th. Approaching the 5/2 chord. The 5/2 chord is more dissonant than the other inversions. The bass is very prominent, particularly when the interval between the bass and the tenor is large. Usually the bass of the 5/2 chord is approached by a tie or a repeated note, or a step down. Listen to this example. Now here it is again with the bass an octave higher, and see if you can hear the difference. Do you hear the difference? Applications. Inverted 5/7 chords are seldom used at cadences. When they are, the cadence is not as strong as when both the 5/7 and the 1 are in root position. The inverted 5/7s are more useful near the beginning of a phrase where they can identify or strengthen the key without setting up a cadence.
If you liked the video, please hit like. If you would like to see more videos, please subscribe to my channel. You can also leave a comment or a question in the comment section below.